today. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kitoko and I've been natural for 12 years now. And in those 12 years, I've had 2 big chops and I have also reached waist length. So I've had a lot of failures but also a lot of success, and I feel confident today to share my knowledge with you. So if you are a natural or if you are thinking about going back to being natural and you just don't know how to deal with this beautiful crown that was given to you, join millions of women who have said no to the creamy crack. And before we get started, click on the subscribe button below and also on the little bell next to it so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about moisturizing your hair. Black hair is unfortunately the weakest of all hair types and also the driest, but it's so cool, right? I mean, it does so many amazing things. But we want to make sure that we keep our hair healthy, especially if we want to grow long hair. Who says length says no breakage. And in order to prevent breakage, one important step is to make sure that your hair is moisturized every day. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you what I do to moisturize my hair, what I use. I use flaxseed gel, but I'm gonna show you how I make flaxseed gel for those of you who don't know how to do it, and how I apply it to my hair and how I style my hair after. But watch till the end because I have a special tip that you're gonna find very useful that I wanna share with you that's gonna help keep your hair moisturized all week long, effortless. So just keep watching. You're gonna need some distilled water. I prefer to use distilled water so that I don't get any mineral deposit in my hair. And flaxseed, I use the whole seeds. You're gonna need a pan and some measuring cups. So I have a whole cup and a quarter cup. So to make the gel, you're gonna use 2 cups of distilled water for 1/4 cup of flaxseed. You have to let it boil for a little while until you can see foam forming in the pan. That's when you know it's ready. And we're gonna strain the gel. After it cools down, obviously you don't want to do that with hot burning gel. And it's really sticky and with a weird texture, but that's what we want. And I'm gonna put the gel in a bottle. This is an old shampoo bottle that I am repurposing. Do it very slow because otherwise it's gonna spill over. That much gel is gonna last me about a week, and it's perfect because I don't want to keep it longer than 1 week because there are no preservatives inside. And now the fun part, I'm gonna apply the gel to my hair. I have my comb. I have some oil that I apply after. This is castor oil. You can use whatever hair oil you have. And this is the gel. So I'm gonna show you how I make my bento knots, how I apply the gel to the hair first. So I go gel first and then the oil, and then I do the braid. And you can apply some water with a spray bottle before you apply the gel if you want. It's just that I wanted a stronger hold, so I did not apply water first, but you can apply water first. So that's going to allow the gel to spread a little bit easier. But I went ahead and saturated my hair with the gel, and the next step is to comb it through and apply the oil. And then I'm gonna show you my fail-proof, legendary bento knot making skills. And I just want to show you how you can see your curls pop when your hair is fully moisturized. Flaxseed gel is amazing at maintaining your hair flawless. Not only does it keep your hair moisturized, but you use it, you know, as a gel pretty much to style your hair, and it stays like that for about a week. So like I promised earlier, I'm gonna show you the tip that's gonna pretty much make your life so much easier, whether you use flaxseed gel to braid your hair or just to do wash and goes. Let me grab that for you. Ta-da! Water in a bottle. Just make sure that it is distilled water so it doesn't have any like mineral components that can attach to your hair. And you just put your little nightcap, your little bonnet, and you're all set. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. This is it for me, and I really appreciate you guys. If you like the video, just click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button in order to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Oh, and if you want to follow me on other platforms, unfortunately I am not on TikTok. I don't know if I will ever be on TikTok, but I am on Instagram, so you can follow me at Kitoko_book. I share a little bit more about my personal life and my lifestyle and all these things, so if you're just curious, go and check it out, or follow me not, that's okay. Thank you, I will see you next time, bye.